We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh! We got laundry pods. Jones Road Glossy Treatment Balm. And black. I actually have this in my makeup bag right there on the floor. This is brown. Welcome back, y'all. For this very moment, my PR unboxing. I actually wasn't supposed to do it so soon, but I do want to stay consistent with posting at least 3 times a week. And this is the start of a new week. The Red Pick Tuesday. Talk to me now. Looking at me face. My client just got her hair package. This video is sponsored by this brand on the screen. In other words, my brand. KC. If you haven't already checked it out, check it out. I have 6 more packages that are going to be on the way to New Jersey. Okay, we have YSL Beauty Sent Over 2 Lash Clash Mascara in black. I actually have this in my makeup bag right there on the floor. I don't know if y'all seen on my story. This is brown. I've been into the brown cosmetic look. Just because my hair is brown, light brown from Red by Kiss. I've been using that color since they sent my P.O. box 3 months ago. This is my signature color. Shout out to them. Thank you. And we got, doesn't say. Nope. Here you go. Let's see what they sent. We got laundry pods from Aroma 360. This is in the scent Cabana and it has 30. This is a cute blue box. Love it. Let's open it together. Hotel Collection. This packaging is... Oh, this smells good. That's what it looks like, y'all. I can't wait to wash my clothes. Alexa, Volume 3. And coupon code KendraK at Hotel Collection on the website. Okay, so we have an influencer campaign we gotta do. And I believe this is the setting spray for makeup. It feels like Christmas all the time over here. This is the Ready Set Sealed Long Wear Continuous Fix and Set Spray. It's supposed to be waterproof, so we gotta check it out, y'all. Next package. Okay, we got drum roll. Sent me Power of You perfume. Sorry if y'all see me looking here, and sorry if y'all see me looking here. We're doing both at the same time, okay? The bottom. Let's check out the scent. It's supposed to have passion fruit, vanilla, and bold edge. Available at Sephora now. I need 2 sprays. I overdid it just now. This smells really good. I'll wear this out at a restaurant. Restaurant or regular cash shopping day. We do perfume to wear to bed. I used to think keeping the boxes was a thing, but absolutely not. I do not have the space for that. This is already open. This is from New Jersey, and we got Jones Road. This is the Miracle Balm that's supposed to be on TikTok now. If it's not on TikTok right now, then you gotta wait a little bit. Also have the Jones Road Glossy Treatment Balm. Ooh, let's get into the deets, dude. I noticed a lot of beauty brands are now infusing peptides and whatnot in it. This has a tint to it. I don't want to put too much. I like the smell. It smells fresh. Thank you. What's this? That's all. We have a Salt XO package coming. We have, because I'm going to the Salt XO event next week. It is a wellness event. If you didn't see my previous video with me going to the Yeti brand activation, floor Pilates is not for your girly pop. Floor Pilates is very tricky. Gotta have good muscle for that. Me, reformers. I enjoyed it now. The instructor was really good. She was nice. She was very attentive. She corrected me. That was probably my third time doing Pilates. The first time I went, it was with Revive Pilates in downtown Miami area, probably Midtown-ish area of Miami. If you're unfamiliar where that is, it's more east, nowhere near South Beach, nowhere. It's on the opposite end. Also, I went to a birthday party, Pilates and Prosecco. The last event was at the actual store by Lululemon across the street. It was so fun, but so hard. Don't recommend. I'm gonna take a little thumbnail picture again with the open products. I'll also be doing another video soon. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my YouTube channel. So y'all comment what y'all want to see from a beauty blogger. And of course, when I'm going to the Salt XO event next week, I will be having access to the VIP lounge. They're going to deliver the swag bag probably next week. So I'll be doing an unboxing for that. And when I do get the YSL blush and something else that they're sending me in the mail, I'll probably let those stack again, so I can do a big PR unboxing with you guys. But that's about it for this video. Check out my Instagram story. I'm posting this content on my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Sally Kincaid. I have Pinterest, I have Threads, Facebook. Don't be on Snapchat. I know the Snapchat bag is supposed to be good, but we're not on that ship. That ship has sailed a long time ago. Show y'all my bundles. So packaging coming that I just placed the order for. But here are the bundles. Let me show y'all the quality real quick. I know y'all are moving right now. Y'all don't know I have the best bundles in the world that you can reuse over and over again. It's gonna make you feel like you're that girl, la la. First, we have our Sedity Society membership that's available too. Get into that. Look at that. And you could dye, you could bleach it, you could wash it. Don't fry it. Make sure you shop. I'm gonna put it in the description so y'all can shop. Bye, y'all. I'll see you guys